How to send message with celebration effect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Then, go to the text bar and type in a message. After that, tap and hold the Send button below to send the message with effect. Then, tap on the Screen section at the top. Over here, swipe to view and try out the different screen effects available. Select any effect from here. For example, celebration. You can now send this message with the celebration effect. This way, you can make your experience with the Messages app fun and interesting. Following these steps, you can easily send message with celebration effect on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.